I have two jobs. I'm an iconographer and a choir director.
What's the day and the life of an iconographer?
Well, I was taught by Father Kyprian. He would chastise me often. Once he took me by the head and by the ears and shook my head, and he says, "You know why I love you so much? Because when I chastise you and humble you, you don't get upset." We had a connection. I worked at home from morning till night. You could never leave the job. It was very intense. My studio was right next to my bedrooms.
Who painted Burlingame?
Nicholas Zadorozhny. He was instrumental in painting churches in China during the immigration. Was a candidate for painting the cathedral, but they chose Father Kyprian. His brother, who was a deacon, painted the Shanghai Cathedral that St. John built. Father Leonti was here in support of St. John, was going through all his scandalous troubles when they were building the cathedral. His parish council was accused of all kinds of things, and it was all false.
Did you have a relationship with Archbishop Anthony?
Very close relationship. I had a fatherly love for him. He was there for me as his choir director. Very holy man.
Mikhail Sergeevich Konstantinov was the choir director here for many years at the Holy Virgin Cathedral. What year did he begin?
Since 1951. He was invited to come here from Europe to direct the early choir at the old cathedral. I met Konstantinov on Pascha when Konstantinov became the cathedral choir director. Grabbed me by the collar, shook it, and he said, "Do you want me to teach you to be choir director?" And I said, "Yes." He says, "Come Saturday night for vigil."
Do you have any particular message for the youth today?
You're going to see a lot of crap in public schools. Don't step in it and don't bring it home. Carrie, I'm not worried about my kids. I'm worried about my grandkids. And I've always admired the cathedral choir.